Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you an update on the Rogers apartment building, which is the tallest building in Jamaica. It's 20 floors, and as you can see, it's still under construction. I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think this project has slowed down? Because that's why we put the date on the video this time around. Because I'm wondering, somebody had mentioned it in a previous video, but now that we're looking at the building again, I haven't really seen much change, much progress or in it. So I'm asking you guys, what do you think based on the last video that we put up? Well, we'll definitely keep you guys updated on this one because, as we said, this is the tallest building in Jamaica. It has reached 20 floors. I mean, it went up really fast to 20 floors, but it seems to have, I'm not sure if it's slowing down or this part of the project just moves slower. I'm not sure. Guys, let me know what you think. You can leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.